ndinokumbira when you watch something that I've done or a skit or you come across something and then you send me those tweets and accounts, oh, praying for Kandoro safety, or I'm worried for Kandoro, or zvichiri safe here. I promise you those tweets don't do the things that you think they do. They actually do the opposite. Because when you tweet kuti zvichiri safe here kana kuti vakomana vaya vakuzouya manje, or I'm worried for Kandoro, boys rare, they have absolutely no intention of coming to find me. Hazvimo maplans avo. But when they see those tweets, they feel like imi muri kuedza kuti vari kurara pabasa. Now they have to prove a point. Mapoona manje. Saka chingoonai moti kiki zvopfuura. Because, you know, memtonipinza patight.